to say to you the best product you can ever buy for your home. It's called the Nine Gomes. Now you're wondering, what does this Nine Gomes do? Well, I'll tell you. This Nine Gomes does anything and everything you ask it to do. For example, punch yourself in the face. Take your beanie off. Put it back on. Now go sit in that chair. Now Carl, stand back over here. Ladies and gentlemen, this Nine Gomes does anything and everything you ask it to do. No matter what. No matter how extreme are. No matter how extreme. No matter how sexual. And no matter what you do, it will do. Now let's talk to one of the amazing customers of what he thinks of this Nine Gomes. Get in here, fool. Sir, what do you think of this Nine Gomes?
He's pretty awesome.
That's pretty cool. How awesome is he?
Really awesome.
That's even better. What do you do with him?
Well, does my laundry.
Anyway, listen, ladies and gentlemen, I can do this all day, and I probably will. Now, if you buy this Nine Gomes, heck, I'll throw in this free stool. You know what you can do with this stool? Make your Nine Gomes sit in it. Sit in that stool, fool. He sits in it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll tell you a brilliant secret. Get out of that chair. This stool does everything and anything a stool normally does. It stays, and you sit. Anyway, back to Nine Gomes. Nine Gomes is freaking awesome. You should buy it. 1-800-9-GOMES. Call it now.